What's up, traders? Thursday morning, April 25th. Some valuable lessons today. Outside influences. Sleep, eating, lack of, too much. Do these affect your trading? Let's get to it. So ARCI out of the gates has been a little bit wild. As you can see, pre-market, she was just absolutely killing it. She's starting to feel like she's hitting a little bit of resistance here. Obviously, she did at 9. Not looking to play this. She's already traded her float about 7 times. So let's take a look at Twitter here off the scanner. Not really sure I want to play this. Last time it took me for a ride. We ended up okay, but just fool me once kind of ordeal on this one. See AXTI on the scanner. Check that out. So we're at 550 area, a little bit lower on the volume. Coming up to the 200 there on the daily. See DT off the scanner. Not enough range. Go back to ARCI. She's over that 9 area that she was previously holding. She's actually well over it. Let's just kind of watch to see what she does. In the future, this is something we would look to play, but we're not playing it today. Just not in a good mood. I'm tired. So she's really struggling here at the 930 area. She's not really super extended either. If you look at these candles, they have bottom and top wicks, which is not really what you're looking for, you know, for a parabolic short or pop and drop, whatever, you know. You'd be looking for the 950 area at least to get a little bit extended here, but this 930 area is definitely struggling. A starter position here would probably be okay. Okay, here's the pop over that. And she's right back under. So if you weren't in, you probably are looking to get in there around 930. Surprisingly, SureTrader has shorts for this. This would definitely probably be a good area. She's starting to feel a little weak here in the 930s. All right, so we're under that 9 area with ARCI here. Like I said before, we'd be looking for 850 at least. Here she comes. Just can't trade this with the float and my state of mind this morning. I wouldn't trade this anyway, even if I was 100% here. I mean, the float's just too low and it could be doing whatever it wants. Okay, as you can see, we got under that 850 area. Probably be looking for a VWAP here because she shot through 850. Didn't really give us a reason to get out. We'd be looking for closer to VWAP here. And again, in the future, this would be so awesome if you're in a decent size amount up top there towards the 930s like we were talking about earlier. And then you still holding on to some here for this move down. I mean, this is just an awesome move. She looks like she is just about to give it all up. Wow. Look at this thing. Just going to go right through VWAP. Look at all this red. We'd be looking for the 8 break now. There's the 8 break. And we're halted. Well, that would have been a great trade. You see the volume profile. Look at where everybody's long. And that's what this is telling you. Everybody was getting long up here looking for this thing to go to the moon. And, I mean, look, we're below where all that volume came in. So what's going to happen when we come out of this halt? Everyone's going to sell that hasn't already sold in this panic sell. So this could be a great scoop opportunity, but on such a pump and dump type stock, I mean, I wouldn't be touching this because it'll probably keep dropping. I would look for this down towards 7. for a possible scoop, because she'll probably use the whole dollar as some kind of support. But yeah, that's a scary one to be in if you're long up top. So back looking at AXTI here. If I were to get in this, I'd probably just take 200 shares, because like I said, I'm just not here today. This would typically be something I take 300. Okay, we're going to probably get in here. Just would love that 6 pop to get the big overextension. What am I? Right there on the reject. Right there on the reject at 80. Like, we saw it come through. She rejected. She wasn't going to 6. Even if we would have jumped in there at 85. This thing is a little bit spready. But even at 85, we would have been looking for the quick 15 cents towards 570 right there, which there it is. Close to it. We'd be seeing what she does here. Very frustrating. I am just not here today whatsoever. Seeing what she does here. Not really too interested in it now, just because technically this is a pullback. So even if she went up and got over 6, of course she's just going to flush. But even if she got over 6 there, it wouldn't be the move that we're looking for. With my luck, you know, this will be the one I feel I missed today, because I wasn't going to trade ARCI because of the float. CLF, I was looking for a pop at the bell, never got it. She just flushed. And this one came right off the scanners, and I should be in this one, up in like the 580s. And this one's a little bit frustrating. Check out Zayo here. Oh, wow. This was off the other scanner, showing the opposite move that I'm usually looking for. This would be a scoop play. I obviously pulled it up late. We didn't see that scoop down towards 28.20. Scoop opportunity. And she's already back over 29. You're just looking for that quick rubber band effect on these. Probably back up towards VWAP, so 29.70 area. We'll see if it plays out. Like, so even if you were still looking for that, you could have got in there around 29. And sure enough, here she goes. And look at that. Right up. Man, look at her go. Right up there. Look at this thing. That's exactly what you're looking for. That's what these scanners provide, guys. They provide you these opportunities. Okay, traders, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Like I said, you know, sometimes no trade is a good trade. And today was one of those days where I'm hoping that I get my point across, you know. I didn't feel it. I wasn't here 100%. I'm tired, hungry, you know, worried about the kids being sick. The wife is also sick. There's just a lot going on. Like I said, you know, I've been working a lot outside of doing this. So sometimes it takes a toll on you. Sometimes you just need to take a break, even if it's a day, sometimes a week. You know, you have to figure out what's best for you so that you're 100% here and focused while you're trading. Because all it takes is that one trade to really just lose it, and you might be saying bye-bye to your account. Like, take for instance real quick with ARCI, if you got long into this like a lot of these people did, look at all this volume that was up here. I mean, where are they at now? You know, are some of these still holding on? Are they investors now on a stock that typically trades under $1? Obviously this was a reverse split, so we'll say $4. But a stock that's going to typically trade probably somewhere around $4 and probably eventually end up under that, do they really think this thing's going to come back up there? I mean, it might, but you might be waiting months or maybe even a year for this one particular low float stock to just randomly get some PR pump again. And are you going to tie your money up that long? You know, look at all the people that said no. I'm just going to break even or take a little bit of a loss. But what about all these people? How many of these people up in here are down in here and they're just hoping and praying? You know, when you're not 100% focused, you know, that could be you. You could be a great trader and you're just having an off day like I am today, and that could be you because you just lost it. But okay, so I'm just going to leave it there. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate the support. We are growing. Don't forget the live stream is going to be tomorrow night, 9:30 Eastern. Still deciding on a topic. We might just do talk about our trades, maybe review the month of April a little bit, go over everyone else's trades that joins us in the stream. And if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Always happy to answer those. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.